Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. We are going to talk about how to make a digital planner to sell on Etsy. In this video, we will demonstrate for you how you can create digital planners for free for your Etsy store. So watch this video till the end to better understand how you can do this. There are many platforms and softwares you can use to design digital planners, but the one we recommend for those of you who are looking for a free method is Canva. Let's look at how you can create digital planners for free on Canva. After logging into Canva, hover your cursor on the Design Spotlight tab in the top navigation bar and click on Planners. Scroll down on this page and you will find many ready-to-use planner templates. If you like any of them, hover the cursor over the template, click on the three dots and click on Customize this template, and you can begin editing the template as per your requirements. If you wish to create a planner from scratch on Canva, click on the Create a Design button on the top right corner. Scroll down this menu and click on Planner, and you will be taken to the editor page for your planner. This is the blank canvas of your planner. You can use different elements and text from the left sidebar to make a digital planner from scratch. Firstly, it is better to change the color of the canvas because colorful planners look more aesthetic. But if you prefer a white background, you can skip this step. To change the color of the canvas, click on it and you can see a color palette icon will appear on the top left corner. Click on it and then click on the color of your choice. Test many colors that you wish on the canvas, and yeah, you can see that the canvas color also changes accordingly. Once you have selected the color, now we need to start placing elements on our planner. We will first try to place graphics on the canvas to make it interesting. Click on the Elements tab in the left sidebar and search for lines, and then click on the Graphics tab. Here you can see there are a lot of graphic designs that you can use for your planner. Scroll down to find a suitable one for the background of your planner. Try to find one that looks simple but is attractive. Here we are continuing with this one. So when you click on an element like this, it will be added to the canvas. Now click on it on the canvas and drag it from the corners to resize it so that it fits the canvas size. You can click on this lock icon to lock the element's position so it will not move while placing or customizing other elements. Now let's add some text to the canvas. Click on the text tab, and from here you can add a heading, a subheading and a body text, or else you can use any one of these predefined style texts, and you can use any one except those which are marked with a crown because those are for pro members. This seems to be a perfect one for our planner, so we are continuing with it. Click on the text that you like and it'll get added to the planner. And to edit this text, you just need to double click on it and start typing your text. We're typing in here weekly planner. From here, you can customize this text. You can change its font, the color, the size, the alignment. You can delete the extra lines in the text. And after all this customization, you can move it to the upper part as this will be the heading for the planner. Now the heading looks good. We can add some lines below it and it will become perfect. This is optional though. You can design your planner according to whatever you prefer. To add lines, click on the Elements tab and search for lines. This is looking good, so we're going to click on it and add it to the canvas and dragging it below the heading and then scaling it horizontally to fit the size of the heading. Now you can see that the heading looks perfect for our planner. As we're going to create a weekly planner, we need to add days. For this, click on the Elements tab again and search for box. In the search results, scroll down and find a suitable one for your preference and then click on it and it'll be added to the canvas. You can resize the box from its corners, and we're going to drag it to the left side below the heading so it can be used as the first day of the week for our planner. And the color of this can be changed. You can just use the color palette from the top left corner. Now we need to add a text to this box, which will be the name of the day. You can use a new text style from the text tab in the left sidebar, or you can use the same one that was used for the heading. So click on it. Now delete the extra layers of text and double click on the main text to edit it. And we're going to write MON, which stands for Monday. Now reduce its size from the top customization option to fit it inside the box properly. Now drag it to the center of the box If needed, you can do some scaling and set the alignment as well. And thus, we have created the first day of the week on our planner. Now we need separate boxes for each day, so we can just copy this and paste it on the canvas. To do so, select both the box and the text by dragging your mouse on the box and the text. And you can also select both of them by clicking on them while holding down the Shift key and then using Command C or Control C and Command V or Control V to copy and paste it. Adjust the position of this box and place it next to the first box. Now repeat this step 5 more times to make 7 separate boxes for each day of the week. You can change the colors of the individual boxes and the texts as well, or leave it as it is. Now that we are done with all the boxes, next we need to just rename them for the different days of the week and align them to fit in the center of the box. And so now we're done with the first page with all the days mentioned on it. So now we can add pages to our planner for each day. For this, click on the Add Page button. This page is for Monday. So first let's just change the canvas color. Next we're going to add a heading. So we're going to add a text element from the left sidebar and type in to-do list and drag it to the top of the page as the heading. Now you can customize this according to the theme that you have in mind, like you can add some lines, notes, a serial number, a box or a border, and once you're done with your design, duplicate this page 6 more times for each day of the week. Simply click on the duplicate icon 6 times. Now change the canvas's color for each page to make them look different from each other. And once you're done with all the pages, that is a customization of the texts and changing the color of the background, etc., then you need to click on this icon to see all the pages together in a grid form. Go through them one by one, and if you see that you want to change anything, you can do it right now. But if you're satisfied with all the pages that you've designed, again click on that icon to go back to the editor page. Now that our main page is done with the days of the week, let's go ahead and link each day, that is linking each box that represents each day to its respective page that we have just created. So for this, first we need to come to page 1 and we need to select Monday. That is, we need to select the text and the box together, and we're going to go ahead and group them together. And once they are grouped, we can right click on it and select link from these options and then select page 2 from the list that is here because page 2 represents Monday, and then click on the done button. So this is basically how you can connect each of those boxes on page number 1 to their respective pages, and this is what we're going to do for each of the boxes and the pages that we have created. And in this way, your weekly planner is designed and done. And once you're happy with the design that you have just made, it is time to download this planner. For this, click on the share button on the top right corner and click on the download button. Make sure that the PDF option is selected here and then hit the download button. Now you have a sellable digital planner for your Etsy store. And with this, we have completed our tutorial on how you can make a digital planner to sell on Etsy. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope it helped you. If you have any suggestions or want us to make a video on a specific topic, feel free to comment below. We will see you soon in our next one. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.